Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sign up for your Woodforest banking account. Keep watching the video till the end. To sign up for your Woodforest mobile banking account, firstly go ahead and launch open any web browser of your preference. On the search box at the top, type in online.woodforest.com and make a search. You will end up on the sign up page of your Woodforest mobile banking account. To sign up for your Woodforest mobile banking account, you need to go through 5 steps, that is verification, service agreement, optional services, set up profile, and set up security profile. Now select your identification type. Here I'm gonna go with social security number. Enter your identification number. Select how would you like to verify yourself. Here I'm gonna go with a welcome token. Tap on a circle right next to welcome token option. Enter your welcome token number and tap on continue. Follow the prompts till the end, and that's how you will be able to sign up for your Woodforest mobile banking account quickly and easily, just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.